What's going on, guys? It's Carter. You know, I seen this vehicle, and this is one that it made me stop, and it just made me think about something for somebody who's looking for a vehicle, you know, that doesn't cost a lot of money, but a vehicle that's going to be reliable, not super expensive to repair, you know, and one that you know, it can look good. You throw a little bit of tint on it or whatever. Maybe you want to put some wheels on it, whatever the case may be. But it's a P71 Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. I mean, this vehicle, I've been working on cars since 2003 in shops and out of shops, and this is one of the cars. I'm telling you, this vehicle is like a tank, especially with the police interceptor package. You know, you get things like an oil cooler, a tranny cooler, aluminum drive shaft, and you know, this one here's got, you know, cool push bar or whatever the case may be. But they made these cars so that you could easily change out components like the headlights and the fenders, things like that. So especially if you could find one like this, you know, one that's pretty clean. I mean, this one here is a real good example of a decent P71 and you know, police interceptor. And you know, you can get these things for a bargain. You know, I know Cletus McFarland on his channel made him go high in Florida, but you know, if you don't live in southern Florida, you know, you can find one of these for a pretty decent deal. And like I said, I mean, this one here is a prime example of a decent P71. It is a V8, but you know, it kind of is what it is, par for the course. But this is a vehicle that I would not have a problem hopping in right now and taking a drive from here up in Philly all the way down to my place down in Tampa. So I just wanted to make this quick video and just, you know, give you guys a heads up. If anybody's thinking about a Crown Victoria, a P71 police car, is definitely a good buy if you're looking for something cheap and that's reliable. It also got a little pep in the step. So get in the comment box, let me know what you guys think about the Crown Victoria or any experiences you guys have with the Crown Victoria that could add to this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.